You'll notice if you use Google Docs that there is a ruler visible along the top and left side of your document. This allows you to see where your indentation is set, to set tabs within a document, and to adjust your indentation and some spacing manually by dragging the little triangles along the ruler. It can be especially helpful when trying to set the indentation in a bibliography. You may wonder why Microsoft Word doesn't have this tool. It does. If you can't see it, you may need to change a setting in the document so that you can see the ruler. I'm going to show you how to make your ruler visible. Along the top row of tabs, you'll see File, Home, Insert, etc. We're going to click on the View tab at the very end. You'll notice in the second box along the top, where it says Show on the bottom, there is a little box next to the word Ruler. Make sure that you check that box. Once you do, you'll notice that the ruler appears. Once it does, you can drag the little triangles across the ruler to reset your indentation. If you set your cursor at the beginning of a paragraph, the top triangle will move the first line, the bottom triangle will move the rest of the paragraph beneath it, and the little rectangle will move the whole thing together. And that's it. That's how you make your ruler appear in Microsoft Word. It's always a good idea to practice by experimenting with the tool. If you have further questions, do not hesitate to contact the library at Kalamazoo Valley Community College.